halimbawa, sabi ko na ito kanina na meron tayong tinatawag transfer of non-current records for more than 30 years. Pero na-deferred yung transfer. Bakit po na-deferred yung transfer? Kasi kaya naman ng agency na i-maintain yung records nito. No? And Section 23, this is also important, especially if local government unit. No? Because nakalagay dun sa batas, upon consultation of the executive director, they are going to identify what are those protected local government records. Yeah. So, pag batas kasi, meron itong mga responsibilities. No? Unang responsibility po yan, as what I have discussed, dapat merong turnover. Importante talaga. A person having custody of public records at the expiration of his or her term shall deliver it to his successor. Yan. So, dapat talaga gagawa po tayo ng procedure as to turnover. Pero sir, halimbawa, if yung office na yan is being dissolved, no? Merong mga offices that are being dissolved during the time of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And one of the offices, as I know, in fact, nandun ako kasi nag-dispose kami ng kanilang mga records. Diyan sa Tacloban is ng Kidancor. Yeah. Ng Kidancor. So, it was being dissolved. So, most of the records, na-dispose namin. Yung iba, tinransfer nila doon sa central office nila. Aside from that, yung ibang tinransfer doon sa central office, it's na-dissolve naman, tinransfer doon sa record center po, National Archives. Kaya nga, dapat talaga yung merong warehouse. Kami dito sa Cebu, may warehouse po kami. Aside sa office namin, meron din kaming warehouse. No? Bakit? Kasi hindi namin alam. No? Diba, may isang government offices na dissolve, being closed, no? O wala na-abolish. You need to say all the records should be transferred to the regional archive. So, yeah. So, aside from that, meron tayong responsibility kasi yung RA 9470, meron tong liability. So, a person who willfully, pag sabihin po natin willfully, meron siyang talagang ginagawa niya, or nagiging negligent lang siya, or meron siya ginagawa na labag doon sa RA 9470, then that person is deemed to be have committed an offense in violation under Republic Act 9470. Tapos, as to the penalty, ito lang po yung penalty. Ito lang po yung penalty, 500,000 to 1 million. Tapos, ito po yung imprisonment